Hello everyone. In this video we will see how we can create a new job type for a user. So to create a new job type, go to configurations. Under configurations, click on user and then again click on user. So once you click on a user details will be displayed with the all existing users. Now the job type is mentioned under the field section. Here you can see the job type. If I click on drop down, I can see the existing job types here. Let's suppose I want to add a new job type. So click on hamburger icon, click on plus field data, select the field job type and enter the name of a job type you want to create and click on save. So this is how you can create a job type under users for any profile or department. Thank you.